कासावले आरोशीच्या वादग्रस्त जमनीर एका हॉटेल कंपनीचे काम थंयच्या लोकांनी आडयले। ही जमीन पयली कंपोनंट ऑटोमोबायलाच्या नावार आशिल्ली। ताणे ती डिफॉडिल्स हॉटेल्साक विकली। हे जमनी विशीं एनजीटीन केशी चलतात। डिफॉडिल्स हॉटेल्साक खंय हाची खबर नाशिल्ली। राणा खात्यान हॉटेल कंपनीन हाडिल्लो जेसीबी ताब्यात घेतलो।
आरोशीचे हे जमनी विशीं पुण्यात एनजीटी मुखार केशी चल्ल्यात। वर्स 2006 सावन थळाव्यांनी थंय कसलेंच बांदकाम जावंक जायना म्हूण इश्यू लावन धरला। सरपंचान हॉटेलाक काम करूंक परमिशन दिला ते खंय बेकायदेशीर।
हो जो कॉम्पिटंट हॉटेल जो आसा 5 स्टार हॉटेल आसा आमी सगळो गांवचो लोक अपोज करता कित्याक की एरिया बायस डायवर्सिटी हॉटस्पॉट म्हणून। आयज एक न्यू कोण ओनर येयला आनी तो न्यू ओनर येवन आयज तो इलिगली कितें तो म्हणटा पंचायती कडेन सरपंचा कडेन परमिशन घेतला खंय घेवन तो आयज प्रॉपर्टी क्लियर करतालो झाडां बी कातरून म्हूण हेजेर क्लियरली कळटा की पंचायतीन एका इलिगली हिंगा धाडला।
She has proceeded to grant a construction license when the file of the construction file, the approved file of this project was not in the panchayat itself. That file is with the vigilance department, and in the absence of that file she has gone ahead to grant a construction license only to frustrate all the petitions that we have filed. Presently our petition is going on before the National Green Tribunal Western Zone Pune. The hearings have started. The respondent, the project proponent has appeared. He has filed his reply, and before any decision comes from the NGT, the entire attempt is to frustrate the directions of the NGT, to frustrate that petition, to start the work. And
now component has now sold a property to Daffodils. Okay. Now when Daffodils has come into the picture, before that we had already issued a license to Competent Automobile somewhere in the first week of October. The same people have come here, they have taken under RTI the copies of the license, all the documents. So far there was nothing. So suddenly all this is coming that the Sarpanch has fraudulently given. I don't take decisions on my own. It is a body decision that we need to take.
जमनी विशीं एनजीटीत वाद चल्ला तो खंय हॉटेल्स कंपनीक खंय खबर ना।
We have bought the land and today we were cleaning the plot for making the survey so that we can mark the location of the trees and all to apply for the forest and to make the boundary wall. That was the only purpose, and therefore this competent is no more in the picture right now. But this is a news to us what gentleman told to us that there is something pending through the NGT, and I told him that we will sit together, we will understand what is the pending, and we will part of the forum, not outside the forum. Then only we will construct.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक।
वास्को खारीवाड्यार स्टॅक केल्लो पोटॅश कार्गो काडून थंय कंटेनर वा ग्रेनायटाचो लोड दवरतले म्हूण एमपीटीन स्पश्ट केला। नुस्तेकारांनी पोटॅश कार्गोच्या प्रदूषणावेल्यान आवाज चडयल्या उपरांत एमपीटीन स्टॉकाचेर तात्पुरती ताडपत्री घाली।
Since there was an issue raised by the local habitat of this pollution, immediately the port has swung into action and covered the stackyard so that this cargo doesn't blow in the air. At the same time, in the long run, we are thinking of converting this area into a container yard. So we are studying whether it is feasible to convert this into a container, but surely we are not going to store there any dry bulk cargo in future. We are thinking of brick bulk like granite, steel and container boxes to be stored over there.
ग्रेनायटाक नुस्तेकारांची हरकत ना।
आता तेमी तालपत्री घालून ते बंद केला आणि आता ते सांगता की ते काडटले म्हणून मागता जाता तितले बेगीन ते काडचें कित्याक आमचे कडेन ते सोंसपाक जायना आनी आमी ते काडणारे आमी पुत्तून प्रॉब्लेम करतले आनी हेज्या उपरांत हें एक पाटी थिंगासरली काडटकच थिंगा फकत कंटेनर ना जाल्यार ग्रेनायट स्टोरींग करपाक जाय कित्याक आमकां तेजेर कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना फिशरमॅनाक।
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक।
घेऊया एक ब्रेक।